Today we will be making chicken roast fry in a special way. Yeah, so first we take 3 onions of medium size and chop it and put it in a small mixie bowl. I have taken some ginger, you can see 2 tablespoons, and here I have kept 2 tablespoon chili powder, turmeric and 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Now we grind the onions in the small mixie jar. Coarsely ground the onions. We have made garam masala using 16 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon, fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon, and coriander powder 2 tablespoons, then green cardamom 8, jeera or cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds or soft half teaspoon. Ground it in a smooth paste. Before making it powder, make it hot and then powder it so you get nice fine powder like this.
Prepared ginger garlic paste using 2 pieces of ginger and 8 pods of garlic. For marination, I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to it and salt as per your taste. I am adding the onions here. Now I am adding the ginger garlic paste.
Chicken is thoroughly washed. Adding salt, vinegar 1 tablespoon, turmeric and baking soda so that any virus or bacteria goes away. Keep it like this for 10 minutes and wash it 3 times.
Now I'll give it a nice mix. I've mixed the mixture and it's come out very nice. Smells good. I'm washing it thoroughly.
After washing the chicken thoroughly, squeeze it from the water and put it in a drainer to drain off the water for 10 minutes. Keep it aside. Adding the 1 kg chicken that is washed thoroughly and drained of water. Now adding the garam masala that we have ground and kept. Now mix it very well with your bare hands so that it gets mixed very well and the chicken is soaked in it from all the sides. Okay. Now we have to keep this after marination for 15 minutes. I can get the good aroma.
In the meantime, I've taken 6 chilies and I'll slit them into half. I'm taking 1 teaspoon pepper. I've taken 24 cashews here to add to the pepper and make it into a fine powder. Okay, the pepper and cashew powder is ready. I've taken a thick bottom kadai and in this I'm going to cook the chicken till it is soft and tender and then we are going to fry it. I'm adding the chicken. Just give it a nice mix. I'm adding quarter cup of water. Now I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cook it till it is al dente. I'm keeping the flame on a minimum. Now the chicken is nice, soft and tender. You have to stir it in between. Looks nice. So the chicken is cooked. Now we are going to fry this. So I'll take a pan. I've kept the pan. The pan is hot. Now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. Now I'm going to add the chilies. I'm adding curry leaves. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Now I'll just mix it. Now we have to fry the chicken till the water evaporates. You have to keep the flame on high and keep stirring it between. You will come to know when the chicken is ready when you start seeing that the oil starts separating. All the water is drained off. Now I'm going to add the cashew and pepper powder. And give it a nice mix. Now keep the flame on low and cook it for another 4 minutes. So our special chicken fry is ready and it's ready to serve. Now I'll switch off the flame and you can have it with chapati or rice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.